Retire on my budget. Happier, healthier, smarter. Don't worry. Age is just a number.
Part of the new sensation. Trends that they keep on changing. 'Cause you just can't fake it. Do you ever feel like no one really even knows you exist? 7 billion people out there.
You've worked hard all your life. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. No matter what your budget is, start living and enjoying your best life now. This is your chance. Don't waste it.
Where do I belong? 'Cause I'm starting to think that I just don't fit in to nowhere. To nowhere. Where do I belong?
Begin the next chapter of your life and start doing what you always wanted to do but didn't have time or money to do it.
Is it out there? Oh, have you ever felt like you can't tell if you're awake or sleeping? Almost like you're always dreaming, and you hate that feeling.
Welcome to the new cool generation where age is just a number.
Place to call home, somewhere where you don't feel lost, and somewhere where you don't feel alone. I'm alive, but I'm not, and I'm here.
Retire on My Budget utilizes the world's largest cost of living database. Whether your monthly budget is $600 or $5,000, you can live a different, unique, and better lifestyle.
Think that I just don't fit in to nowhere. To nowhere. Where do I belong? Can you show me a place that can love
The
me
world
for me?
is yours.
There.
You earned it.
Is it out there? Oh.
What are you waiting for? Get out there, see it, live it.
Have you ever felt like you're not part of the new sensation? Trends that they keep on changing, 'cause you just can't fake it. Do you ever feel like no one really even knows you exist?
Just do it.
People out there, and you're wondering if you'd be missed. I'm alive, but I'm not, and I'm here, but I wish I wasn't here.
RetireOnMyBudget.com.
Cause I'm starting to think that I just don't fit in to nowhere. To nowhere. Where do I belong? Can you show me a place that can love me for me? Is it out there? Is it out there? Oh, have you ever felt like
We have the perfect plan for you. RetireOnMyBudget.com.
sleeping, almost like you're always dreaming, and you hate that feeling? Do you ever wonder if you would ever find a place to call home?
Do you have a dream?
Somewhere where
Make
you
your dream
don't
come
feel
true.
lost and
RetireOnMyBudget.com.
don't feel alone. I'm alive, but I'm not,
Retire here. RetireOnMyBudget.com. Retire here. RetireOnMyBudget.com.
Have you ever felt like you're not part of the new sensation?
Retire here. RetireOnMyBudget.com.
Keep on changing, 'cause you just can't fake it. Do you ever feel like no one really even knows you exist? 7 billion people out there, and
The world belongs to you. Go ahead, make your move. RetireOnMyBudget.com.
and I'm here, but I wish I wasn't here. Where do I belong? 'Cause I'm stuck.
Our community team members operate according to the principle of individual approach. We examine and analyze the interests, desires, and hobbies of every client on a case-by-case basis. This method helps us to achieve the best results and success in fulfilling the dreams and desires of each individual while satisfying your curiosities and questions on all levels. RetireOnMyBudget.com.
Have you ever felt like you can't tell if you're awake or sleeping? Almost like you're always dreaming, and you hate that feeling. Do you ever wonder if you would ever find a place to
Age
go?
is just a number.
Somewhere where you don't
RetireOnMyBudget.com.
Somewhere where you don't feel alone. I'm alive, but I'm not. And I'm here, but I wish I wasn't here.
Find happiness. Join our ever-growing community membership and our new cool generation. Phone 888-442-7799. That's 888-I-HAPPY-9. Email community@retireonmybudget.com. RetireOnMyBudget.com.
Place that can love me for me. Is it out there? Is it out there? Ooh.
Retire on my budget. Happier, healthier, smarter.
Have you ever felt like you're not part of the new sensation? Trends that they keep on changing, 'cause you just can't fake it. Do you ever feel